Crust Network down more than 99% since its previous all-time high, which means that more than 19,000% potential return on investment in case it's gonna hit its previous all-time high. And its cousin on the Kusama network, Crust Shadow, is down 92% but only has a market cap of 1.2 million. The blockchain has opened a new frontier for cloud technology, and the Crust Network is an innovation built around the need to address the concern surrounding centralized data storage today. Crust Network provides a decentralized storage network and cloud solutions for both the Web3 as well as the Web2 ecosystem and is built on Polkadot's Substrate framework. It provides a unique incentive layer for the IPFS protocol and utilizes blockchain technology in order to enhance security, privacy, performance, and ownership of data. Now, Crust's token with the ticker CRU is a utility token within the Crust ecosystem, which serves many different utilities. The most important utilities and functionalities of the CRU token are staking in order to maintain GPOS consensus, collateral for storage providers to provide storage services, and used to cover transaction fees and purchasing storage or other cloud services. Crust Shadow, based on Kusama, is even so a groundbreaking decentralized cloud storage solution that allows users to store their data securely and reliably across a vast network of nodes without relying on traditional centralized cloud providers. The CSM token is Crust Shadow's original token. It will be allocated to the community, and the CSM can be used in the following aspects, as well as staking, governance, paying fees, and accessing marketplace offerings, which makes it crucial for traders looking to speculate on or utilize the platform. So in today's video, I want to give you some insight on Crust Network as well as Crust Shadow and the latest news, and why you should remain optimistic in 2024 and beyond. Furthermore, in the end, we're going to look at some future price predictions. Just in case you're new to crypto, well, then let me start off with the obvious. Now is the time to educate yourself. Now is the time to identify the market leaders of tomorrow and pick them up at 50 to 91, 99% below the previous all-time highs. You see, it is truly with great conviction and hard work that I try to provide you top quality projects, just like Crust Network and Crust Shadow. So do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, join the live streams when they're on so that you can become among the top 1%. My name is Nico Arachi and I am a real investor. Crust Network offers several advantages over traditional centralized storage providers just like AWS, Google, Azure or Alibaba Cloud. First of all, availability. Crust eliminates the single point of failure dilemma and the risk of downtime by creating an average of 80 replicas distributed across individual nodes. Furthermore, security. Crust provides high resistance against DNS hijacks and DDoS attacks. All data is encrypted by the IPFS protocol and Crust's TEE mechanism, preventing access or tampering by node operators or any centralized organization. And finally, cost. Storage costs on Crust Network are on average 25 to 50% lower compared to traditional centralized infrastructure like AWS S3 cloud server. The live CRU price today is trading at 93 cents on the dollar, and the current coin market cap ranking is number 1088 with a live market cap of slightly more than 13 million. You heard that right, 13 million. Trading at 99.4% below its all-time high, which was recorded on April the 12th, 2021, which could potentially generate you more than 19,000% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. Now let's look at Crust Shadow. And the price today is trading at 0.012, so that's around slightly above 1 cent on the dollar. And the current coin market cap ranking is number 1,804 with a live market cap of only $1.2 million. Trading, however, only 92.8% below its all-time high, which was recorded on June the 12th, 2021. So this could generate you 1,182% return on investment if it's going to hit its previous all-time high. So the question will obviously be Crust Shadow on Kusama or Crust Network on Polkadot. I would let that decision up to you. But just remember, everything I say and do should not be considered financial advice. It's important you do your own research and don't rely on me, because in the end of the day, I don't know shit about crypto. Now let's look at some recent news. Crust Network has recently announced an exciting integration with the Base chain, enhancing the decentralized storage ecosystem for developers and users alike. And this collaboration brings Crust's robust Ethereum virtual machine storage capabilities to the Base network, facilitating a more streamlined and efficient experience for all decentralized applications. So these are the Crust Network products that are now supported by Base. And first, the files. This product now supports Base, allowing users to store, share, and manage files in a decentralized manner. And additionally, users can choose whether to encrypt their files or not. The Crust Cloud. Similarly, the Crust Cloud now integrates with Base, providing cloud storage services that leverage the decentralized infrastructure of the Crust network. The Crust Cloud has defined ownership of data through NFTs. So users, they can easily create their own storage NFTs on Base by connecting their wallets and selecting the desired storage space and NFT style. Next piece of news. Crust enhances optimism with new storage solutions. And this integration enhances close ties with Optimism and underscores Crust's commitment to decentralized storage solutions. Crust Cloud revolutionizes data storage in the Web3 space by treating each storage unit as a non-fungible token, making ownership straightforward and more secure. The Crust Cloud utilizes the extensive network with over 1,350 nodes and 550 PB of storage capacity to offer diverse services and storage options. The launch of Crust Cloud introduces the W3 buckets, which stands for Web3 storage buckets, and the W3 gateway, merging these concepts into a solution that enhances the decentralized storage experience. So now users, they can easily create their own storage NFT on Optimism mainnet by connecting their wallets and selecting the desired storage space and NFT style. Crust Network were also excited to announce ETHDA and to bring seamless data availability solutions as well as native support for blob transactions to the entire Polygon ecosystem. ETHDA is an Ethereum-based zero-knowledge layer 2 built with Polygon. It aims to scale rollups, validiums, app change, or any other layer 2 or layer 3 on Ethereum with proto-dark sharding compatible data availability solutions. Now currently ETHDA testnet is live as layer 2 on the Cefolia network and supports different tools for users to experience ETHDA's blob and DA solutions firsthand. In the near future, ETHDA is set to fully integrate with Polygon's CDK framework via various contributions and interfaces, promising further benefits for all Polygon builders and users on their journey to effortless scalability. I would like to mention something here. This all sounds very technical, and it is, but what you really should take out of these pieces of news is that even though Crust Network was built on Polygon, they are very compatible with Ethereum. And that is all about interoperability, which we know that is really one of the main things from Polkadot. And Crust is really reaching far and beyond into many blockchain ecosystems. Lots of potential, because decentralized storage is going to be one of the main infrastructure, let's say, niches within the Web3. Crust also partners with Hydra DEX to boost Polkadot liquidity. And this group effort is to improve blockchain trading efficiency and accessibility, advances decentralized finance and blockchain technology. So adding Crust to the Hydra DEX Omnipool ultimately makes the Polkadot ecosystem more liquid and accessible. Crust wants to use Hydra DEX's innovative features to make trading easier and give users more control over liquidity provision and storage. This group effort demonstrates the need for communication and cooperation in the Web3 ecosystems, which fosters decentralized finance and blockchain innovation. Last piece of news, which again verifies Crust's commitment to conquering the entire blockchain ecosystem, because Crust Network integrates Crust files and cloud with Algorand ecosystem. And this move enhances data security and efficiency within the Algorand blockchain. Key features include deployable storage smart contracts for Algorand dApps, the user-friendly Crust files for web-based storage, and Crust Cloud and Web3 storage buckets for on-chain data management. Users, they can now place storage orders with file details and settle payments via on-chain oracles. Anyone can become a storage merchant by registering and listing to order events. Now, this integration revolutionizes decentralized storage within the Algorand ecosystem, providing a seamless and secure solution for data management. And finally, let's look at some future price predictions and see what the sentiment is like for both the CRU token from Crust Network and also CSM for Crust Shadow. First, we start with Crust Network with the CRU token. And the first future price prediction comes from Trading Beast, and they believe we're going to see a high in 2024 of $2.70 and $4.36 in 2025. The second one comes from digitalcoin.com, and they predict that the price will hit $2.13 in 2024 and $2.52 in 2025. Now, the last one is by far the best, and this one comes from walletinvestor.com, and they're seeing a high in 2024 of $13.59 and almost $20, to be exact $19.68 in 2025. Now let's move on to the CSM, the Crust Shadow. And the first future price prediction comes from Trading Beast, and they believe we're going to see high in 2024 of 0.035. That means 3 cents on the dollar, and 3.8 cents in 2025. Second one comes from digitalcoin.com, and they predict that the price will hit 2.8 cents in 2024 and 3.3 cents in 2025. The last one comes from Wallet Investor, and they believe we're going to see a high in 2024 of 3.4 cents and 4.1 cents in 2025. So that's it for me. I hope this video gave you some kind of value. If it did, then you know what to do. Hit like, smash, and subscribe, and all them goodies. I think that the main, let's say the main message with this video is to see that Crust Shadow and Crust Network are not only a Polkadot play, but in fact they're expanding all across the blockchain ecosystems. And very low market cap. They've put a lot of work into it. And I mean, it's without a doubt that the future of Web3 needs infrastructure like decentralized storage. Now, the question remains, is Crust going to be the market leader? Is it going to be among the market leaders? That all remains to be seen. But it's always good to have let's say, at these times, at this stage of such an, where we are very early, when we take the entire evolution of the blockchain and the future of finance into consideration, it's probably not a bad thing to have a diversified portfolio of decentralized storage coins. That's all I got to say about that. Stay home, stay safe, don't think, because you know it can cause depression. And don't forget to come and join the live streams when they are on. My name is Nico Arachi, and I am a real investor.